Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this very simple character in Blender. This is very simple and very basic character. I am going to model and texture this character in this video, and in my next video I am going to animate this guy. In my next video I am going to animate this guy. So in this video, let's model this very simple Spider-Man. Let's model and texture this guy. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was the reference I was using and this is our character. This was the reference and this is our character. So this was the reference and this is our character. If you want, you can also, if you want, you can also scale this little bit. Yeah, that's it friends. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.